This place celebrates topless women. Here's the history behind it. What if I told you there's a place where women proudly celebrate their freedom by going topless in public? A place where this act isn't just accepted, it's celebrated as a symbol of equality and empowerment. Welcome to the world of Go Topless Day, a movement that challenges societal norms and redefines the conversation around gender equality. Wikipedia, time, the origins of Go Topless Day. Go Topless Day is an annual event observed on the Sunday closest to August 26th, aligning with Women's Equality Day in the United States. This date commemorates the 1920 certification of the 19th Amendment, granting women the right to vote. The event advocates for gender equality, emphasizing that if men can go topless in public, women should have the same right without facing societal backlash or legal consequences. Wikipedia, historical context of toplessness. Historically, toplessness wasn't always taboo. In various cultures, such as in parts of Africa and Southeast Asia, women traditionally went topless without it being sexualized. For instance, in Indonesia, women commonly remained topless until the late 1200s when Islamic influences began to change dress norms. Instagram, Wikipedia. Vice, the Free the Nipple movement. The Free the Nipple campaign, initiated in 2012, further propelled the conversation about gender equality and body rights. It challenges the societal norms that deem female toplessness indecent, while accepting male toplessness. The movement has gained traction globally, highlighting the disparities in how society perceives male and female bodies. Wikipedia, cultural celebrations of toplessness. Toplessness is also celebrated in various cultural festivals worldwide. For example, the Reed dance in Eswatini, formerly Swaziland, involves young women dancing topless as a rite of passage and a celebration of purity. Similarly, in parts of Africa, toplessness is a traditional norm and not associated with indecency. Wikipedia, modern-day protests and legal battles. In recent years, there have been numerous protests advocating for the normalization of female toplessness. In France, feminist groups have protested by asking men to wear bikini tops, highlighting the double standards in dress codes. Legal battles in various parts of the world continue to challenge laws that prohibit female toplessness, arguing for equal rights and the de-sexualization of the female body. Wikipedia, glamour. But how did society come to view female toplessness as taboo while accepting male toplessness? What are the legal implications of going topless in different parts of the world? And how are modern movements challenging these norms? Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the cultural, legal, and societal aspects of this intriguing topic. If you found this exploration eye-opening, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel for more deep dives into fascinating cultural phenomena, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Drop a comment below. What are your thoughts on the celebration of toplessness and its implications on gender equality? We'd love to hear from you.